Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2012 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.